Lord, save me!
Take courage. It is I. Do not be afraid.
Do not weep, daughter. Your loved one is at peace.
Follow the light, my friends. We are close to safety now.
Follow my light. It will lead you safely home. Do not weep. Let your heart find peace.
Your debts are forgiven. Go and be free.
You are freed. Begin again with hope and renewed purpose.
Peace, be still. Do not be afraid.
Peace be with you. Arise. I am whole again. Thank you. Do not be afraid, little one. You are safe now. I will take you home.
Lean on me, Father. We are almost through the crowd. Please, Master, my daughter is gravely ill. You must help us.
Do not be afraid. Only believe, and she will be healed.
Do not worry, saying, "What shall we eat? Or what shall we drink?" Your Father knows that you need these things.
Trust in me. Provision will come even in scarcity.
Peace be with you, my brother. You are not forgotten.
You are loved, you belong, and are never forgotten.
Peace, be still.
I restore your strength when you feel completely broken.
I bring light into the shadows surrounding your life.
Your pain will transform into purpose through faith.
I guide you safely through every uncertain step ahead.
Faith will open doors no one else can.
Your suffering will not last forever. Hope is coming.
Easy now, brother. Lean on me. You are safe.
Stand strong. Your life will not end in this moment. I will lead you through hardship into safety and peace. Open your eyes, little one.
He's awake. My son, you're well.
Do not be afraid. Peace, be still. It is over now. I lift you out. You will rise again in strength.
Do not be afraid.
Go forth in peace, your faith has made you whole.
Love heals. What was broken can be made whole again.
Peace! Be still!
Peace be with you. Your sorrow will turn to joy.
Your hope is not lost. I am restoring everything.
You are protected. Nothing will overcome you today.
Your journey continues. This is not your end.
You are safe. I am watching over you.
Fear fades as faith grows stronger within you. You will overcome. Strength flows through your faith.
I guide your steps, even when you cannot see.
You are not forgotten. I remember every tear.
Peace flows into your life the moment you trust.
Your story is not over. Hope continues forward.
Your faith will lead you through every storm ahead. You are lifted from despair into renewed purpose.
Hope lives within you, stronger than any fear.